What if your money was working as hard as you are every single day, backed by real estate you can actually trust? I'm Nathan Waldorf, and my family has been in real estate in Chattanooga for 100 years. My wife, Ida, and I have spent the last decade building something we are incredibly proud of. And today, I want to invite you in. Here's what I hear from smart people all the time. I want to invest in real estate, but I don't have time to manage tenants, toilets, and trouble. I get it. Real estate is one of the greatest wealth builders in history, but doing it yourself, that's a second job. And most people don't want another job. What they really want is consistent, reliable income. That's exactly why we created the WCV Income Fund. This is not a single bet on one property. Your investment is backed by 5 different asset classes, all in one fund and specifically designed so that when one market shifts, the others keep producing for you. Luxury new construction, mid-range new construction, triple net commercial properties, build to rent properties, and tax lien purchases are all some of the investments that the WCV Income Fund makes. 5 income streams, 1 investment, true diversification. When you invest with WCV Income Fund, you're not just getting a piece of real estate, you're getting an entire team working for you. Ida leads a vertically integrated construction team. They handle everything from ground up builds to renovations to property management. We also have a controller, CPA, real estate attorneys, and experienced advisors on our team. This is a professionally run operation, and your money deserves nothing less. Now let's talk about what you actually earn. So the minimum investment is $25,000. Here's how the returns work. So it's 6% on your money per year from $25,000 to just below $250,000. It's paid out twice a year. 8% if you invest $250,000 up to just below $1 million, paid twice a year. 10% if you have $1 million in the fund, that's paid out twice a year. There are no hidden fees, and unlike most funds, your money isn't tied up for decades. It can actually be liquid in 12 months. So that means you're not trapped. And for those of you who care about oversight, and you should, the WCV Income Fund is filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. That's an extra layer of accountability and transparency for every investor. Look, I've seen what intentional real estate investing can do for a family, and it changed ours. And now Ida and I get to do this for other people. If you're an accredited investor who is ready to put your money to work in real estate assets with real people and real returns, register to hear more on the webinar on June 2nd at 7 p.m. at the link below. This is your invitation. Don't leave it on the table.